most people in our space, in our industry, they don't like selling small. They like selling the big stuff. They want those big, quick hitters. That left a whole market open to people that don't need the stuff in bulk, but need the specialty products, because that's what these are. These are all specialty products that typically you'd have to have runs made of thousands and thousands of pounds. What we did is we took on that burden to actually start bringing all these specialty products that are very, very hard to find and manufacture, so they're available for immediate use by any of our clients and customers. We were innovative by just selling 50-pound boxes at one point, which is what this is, a 50-pound box of product. And that was exciting to the industry because people were only selling pallets, right? So we started making products like this, which are very, very specialty, available to the masses. As you say, down to DIYers and hobbyists. So what we did is in 2008, there was, as we all know, there was a financial crisis, and cash was extremely tight, so people were looking for ways to save money. So we started looking at smaller packages, just to help the couple customers that we thought were going to need it. And it allows us to now package in 50s, 25s, 10s, 5s, and even down to 1 pound. So what that allows you to do is, you know, there's people that 50 pounds might last them their entire lifetime.
Right.
So that's wasteful, right? Why waste the product? Why waste the money? So that's why we opened up what we call our trial size packages. Again, even down to 1 pound knots. Now, the way we get everything out so quickly is you're seeing it.
Yeah.
We did the work already. You know, by the time you place an order, we can have any one of these products can be on the cart getting ready to get picked up by UPS within a half hour at max.